Hey, how's it going everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be testing out a new action camera. DJI sent me their new Osmo Action 4 to test out. Of course, we're going to be doing dirt bike riding. I got my 2021 Kawasaki KX250 right in front of me. Really excited to ride this thing today. But the purpose of today's video is specifically to test out the capabilities of this camera. It's on the tripod right now. All the footage you're going to see from today is filmed on the DJI Osmo Action 4. We're going to ride the bike in a variety of different areas. In the woods where it's dark and really harsh contrast. We're going to go onto the motocross track, of course, maybe ride around the fields. This is going to be a little bit different than my normal moto vlogs because I won't have the external microphone inside my helmet. I'm just going to use the raw audio from the Action 4 camera to see how well it records sounds and reduces wind noise. All right, guys, I feel like I've been blabbing for far too long, so we got to get on with this video. But real quick, I'm going to tell you how I'm going to structure it. I'm going to go ride the bike, get some test footage. I'm going to show that to you guys. Then I'm going to come back, give you a couple things that I like about the camera, give you a couple things that I might not like about the camera, and of course, overall, give you my opinion if it's worth your hard-earned money or not. So please stick around to the end. Let's get right into it. As a reminder, I don't have an external microphone hooked up to it. It's the internal microphone inside the camera, so if you can't hear me talking, I won't be surprised. If you can, that's really cool. The track's pretty deep, it's really dry. Dry and choppy, you got like concrete spots in the so I might not be riding very fast. Again, no microphone. So I'd be really surprised if you can hear me. But how's this test footage looking so far? We're filming all the footage today in 4K 30 frames per second. And I got the camera set on the ultra wide view, the widest the camera will go, the widest camera lens available on the market. Dude, track conditions are pretty subpar, choppy, loose, dry, hard concrete, not what you want. Let's cut this inside. There's a lot of wind in that high speed section. I wonder how the audio picks up. All right, quick pit stop here because I had to mention something that I'm already loving about this camera. All the action cameras that I've used in the past have all been GoPros. This is my first time ever using a DJI or any other action camera for that matter. You know, you tighten it down with a thumb screw, right? Well, the DJI, you tighten the mount down with a thumb screw, but then the actual mount itself here is magnetic. So I can take the camera off and hold it in my hand like this and put it back onto my helmet, and it's nice and secure, and it's all magnetic. I don't have to change the position of it. I don't have to loosen the thumb screw or anything. So here's the magnetic mount. I'm gonna try to put this thing on my helmet. All right, let's see if we can find it. Yep. And it clicks into place, and there we go. That is really, really convenient when you want to take it off your helmet, look at your footage, and you don't have to change the angle of everything. Like I have my angle perfect, so I don't want to take the thumb screw off and have to retighten everything. We're just good to go. All right, so now we're gonna head into the woods, and this for action cameras is always the true test if the video quality is, you know, bad, decent, or pretty good. Midsummer, the trees are fully leafed up, so it's really dark in there. And because it's really sunny, we got really harsh contrast, and pretty much any camera I've ever used in conditions like that, it can handle it, but the footage doesn't look all that great. So I don't ride in the dark woods all that often because all my footage on any camera I use just comes out pretty crappy. So yeah, this will be the first time with the DJI in the dark woods. Let's see how she handles it. See The lighting conditions in here are so dark and harsh. I've never had a camera that's been able to handle anything in here, so I'm really curious how this looks. You guys, please let me know what you think down in the comment section. Oh, that hurt. And the camera's gone. No way. No way. Oh, no way. All right, I tested to see if the magnetic mount will stay on. It actually stayed on. The whole chin piece of my helmet, I don't know if you can tell on the video, the whole chin piece of my helmet came off. The camera is actually still on it, on the magnet. Let me take this off. Look at that. The whole chin piece of my helmet just came off. I'm glad I got to test some some durability. Hit my head really hard on a stick on the ground. Hopefully I'm all there still. That one hurt. Man, I haven't done woods in a while, and it's not that big of a log. But I guess I was just going a little too fast and wasn't ready for it. I ate crap. Poor Callie. I think my head probably hurts more than the camera does. My elbow hurts too. Quick update. My head is feeling a-okay after a 15-minute break with some snacks and water. I did end up breaking my front brake lever off, so I don't necessarily feel safe pushing my riding for the rest of the day, so I'm not going to ride very hard. So I'm going to go home, review the footage, and record a voiceover telling you about my thoughts about the camera. So we're going to get right into that now. Overall, I think the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a great, solid camera. I think the video quality is good. I think it's on par with the other competing action cameras out there in the market. I am impressed with the internal microphone's audio quality. I think it did a really good job of canceling out the wind noises. So overall, the video quality is good. I think the audio quality is good, and I really like the magnetic mounting system. There are a couple things that I don't like about the camera though. I had it set on auto white balance, and there were several times throughout the motocross track where I could tell the camera was color shifting and it was changing the white balance a lot. And I didn't like how it affected the image. The colors were like constantly changing as I was going up some of the jumps and around some of the corners. That's partly my fault. The next time I use the camera, I'll probably, instead of using auto white balance, I'll probably set it to a specific setting so it doesn't shift colors during the video. But I felt like the auto white balance was color shifting quite a lot. Another thing that I don't like about this camera is I've had a really difficult time setting up an external microphone. For some reason, any external microphone that I've hooked up to this DJI just doesn't seem to sound that great. My voice is really quiet. The audio from the dirt bike engine is always way too loud and blown out. So I haven't been able to figure that out. At the end of the day, I think the DJI Osmo Action 4 is a pretty solid camera, and if you're in the market to buy a new action camera, I think it's definitely one you should consider. I would love to hear your opinions on what you thought about the test footage, what action camera you use, so please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.